Hi everyone, I'm Doris.
I'm Kent.
Welcome to Telpo live broadcast. This year is a special year. We start from COVID-19 virus. In China, we spent a special Spring Festival. That's the longest holiday we spent. Some people stay at home for 1 month. Some people stay at home for 2 to 3 months. Even for now, some students are still at home for taking at home.
Actually, it's very boring. Only stay at home and nothing to do.
Exactly. I heard that you have a niece. Has she go back to school now?
No, but actually they decided to go back to school and see their classmates and see their teacher, but now still cannot go back to school.
Okay, I understand. So before everybody is deserved for holiday, but now they want to go back to work or go back to school. So if you are planning to return to work or school, you will need wearing the mask, and you will also need temperature screening machine. We can provide you the whole solution. Let's see. So first of all, I would like to have a brief introduction for Telpo. Telpo is founded in 1999, so that until now we have more than 21 experiences. And when listed in 2015, we have more than 800 employees and more than 200 engineers. And we invest over 15% sales revenue on research and development because we want to make sure that our devices are using the advanced technology. Also, we export the goods to more than 1,000 customers in 1,000 countries. And we have Hong Kong branch and the India branch. We're going to expand more branches in overseas market. So Ken, can you see us?
Yes.
Can you show?
The right side is the single point device with temperature measurement.
Yes, actually we have 3 series temperature measurement devices. So the first type is for the multi-person scan. It's for 3 to 4 people to be scanned in the same time, and the distance is 1 to 2 meters. And the second type is for single-person temperature measurements. The distance is 50 to 70 centimeters, and the third type is for single-point temperature scanning machine. You just need to close your wrist, then the machine can read your temperature. It's very convenient, and the distance is 1 to 10 centimeters. Except the hardware, we can also provide the software and the platform. So for the software, we have 5 versions, like the online, the offline, the local networker, the middleware, the development version. And we also have the platform, like the Telpo MDM, Telpo Face. So Ken, can you introduce more details for our devices?
Sure. So let's go next page. Yes, the first one is our #1 hot cell model, TPS 980T. The temperature measurement module, the accuracy is 0.3 degree, and the distance, as Doris mentioned, 50 to 70 centimeters, and it supports face recognition with anti-fake rate 99.5%, and support mask detection, high temperature alarm, and cloud deployment. And also support multi-language.
Yes, I know that some customer is asking why the price is higher than others. With other competitors, first of all, we're using the high property CPU, is 6-core CPU RK3399, while other competitors they are using the 4-core RK3288. And the second point is that we are using the 4 GB RAM memory, 4 GB RAM, and others are using 2 GB RAM. You know, the RAM is decide the running speed. So if we have bigger RAM, then the running speed will be more faster. And the third point is that we're using the Heyman famous brand. The Germany famous brand Hammond sensor. And then resolution is 32 by 32 resolution. And others is using unknown brand or use the lower configuration sensor. That's why our device is different from others.
And also our device compiled with CE, FCC, ROSE, TELIC, and Anatel, and BIS.
Yes. Like for CE and ROSE is for the Europe, FCC is for the USA, the TELIC is for Japan, Anatel is for Brazil, and BIS for India. Now, Ken and I are going to show you how that the device works.
Please face to the screen. Temperature normal.
So you can see this machine can read my face very fast.
Temperature
It's
normal.
asking me wear a mask. Please wear a mask.
Yeah, well done.
So I'm not going to show you the mask.
Yeah, well done.
The mask detection.
Please come closer. Temperature normal. Please come closer. Please come closer. Please face to the screen. Please come closer.
It reminds me mask one.
Please come closer. Please face to the screen. Please come closer. Temperature normal.
Yeah, and then we can do many other settings.
Please come closer.
So we can do the data management. This is for batch import the photos. So if you are using the offline version, you don't need to upload the photo one by one. You can upload the photos in batches from here. And also member export in batches. The second part is for the member management. So you have a new visitor, you want to register her face, you can click this button. Here is to input your name, your mobile, and set the valid visit time. For example, if you want one person only visit your company within today, then you can set the time. You can set the date and the specific time. Okay, and also take the photo of the person, then complete the registration. Okay. And in coming, we will show you the parameter setting. So the password you can change by yourself. And what's more, you can use your Telpo, you can use your own logo image as the wallpaper. Just put the picture in the appointed path, as mentioned here, and click enable. Then it will be show your logo image on the software. What's more, you can select the camera type. Mask detect you want it or not. If yes, then you choose yes. Incoming is for the layering type. Layering type is mean the loudness detection. So if you choose yes for layering type, then if you are using a photo to be scanned by the machine, then it cannot show any temperature data, because only real person can be scanned and get the temperature data by the machine. Okay, and you can see there are many other settings. You can also choose you want to show the Celsius or Fahrenheit, and also you can choose you want to show or hide the temperature hint, and you can also setting the relay rule. You want to control the door by temperature, or you want to control the door by face, or you can select control the door by both the temperature and the face. What's more, you can choose. You want to show this status bar or navigation bar. What's the meaning for this part? Is when you don't want the end users to see the menu to edit anything, you can hide it so that they cannot operate by themselves. And you can also edit the relay time. Our default relay time is 5 seconds. You can also change other time you want. And from here, you can see all the record for this device. You can also export all the records by an Excel file. Click here, and you can choose the start time and end time, and confirm to share it by Bluetooth or by USB cable. Okay. And the last part is for the email. So what's the meaning for this part? This is for setting the emails for the sender's email and the receiver email. For the receiver email, you can add 10 email address in total. So when someone is with the high temperature, then the device will take the photo automatically and send by email to the 10 emails. No matter he is the stranger or the employee. So these are the main features for the offline version. For the online version, we will show you later by PPT.
Please come closer.
Yes. And next is our multi-person face recognition with temperature measurement, TPS 980T Pro. The main point is the measurement with high resolution, 120 plus 90, and accuracy may be a little difference, 0.5 degree, and the distance support longer distance is 1 to 2 meters, and it can scan 3 to 4 persons at the same time. And also support smart detection, face recognition, high temperature alarm, 26 language, and cloud deployment.
Yes, let us show you how the device works. This is the device. You can scan multiple persons.
First is one person.
Now it's one person.
One person and 2 persons. Now it's three persons.
So it can scan very fast and no need to stop. People can just fast work and check the temperature.
And that next is our low-cost version, TPS 950T. The main point is with higher resolution for the temperature measurement module is 16 plus 12, and accuracy same with TPS 980T, 0.3 degree, and distance is 50 to 70 centimeters, and support the same function with the above two models.
Yes, you can see this is the device. It has the smaller display and the smaller temperature sensor. So if you are sensitive to the price, you can choose this one because the function is almost same, but price is lower.
Yes.
36.3.
And this one is our bus validator with temperature sensors. You can put in the outdoor and also in the bus. And also with the temperature measurement, distance is 0 to 10 centimeters. And it can scan very fast. It's less than 1 second. And the accuracy is 0.3 degree. And it has high temperature alarm, NFC card for the bus card or prepaid card, and QR code reader for healthcare code and data generation.
Yes, we can show you how the device works. You just close with
36.7.
like this.
36.5. 36.5.
case for the barcode reader and the QR code scan reader. You can use the QR code for payments, or you can scan your QR health code.
For this model, we provide a tall stand and also a wall amount, and also can put on the hole with on the bus.
Yes, that's it.
And this is our tablet with temperature sensor. The point is distance is 0 to 10 centimeters, and also it can scan very fast. It's less than 1 second, and accuracy is same with TBS 530. But the main point is also you can add the, as you can see, you can add the fingerprint if you need.
Yes, this is the device. This is the device, and you can show. It can scan your temperature, and this device has more functions like the iris scan, the camera for face recognition, NFC reader, and the IC card reader. And it also has a band to put on your wrist. So it has multiple function. It can help you for security management.
So we introduced 5 models. So now we sum up what we can provide from us. We can provide single person's temperature measurement, multi-person's temperature measurement, and face recognition for identification, fever detections, mask detection, voice, multi-language, and identification, and our Telpo cloud and flexible deployment. For the OS, we not only provide Android OS, we also can provide Linux if you need. And for the thermometer, we can provide 2 units of the temperature measurement. And the language, we already support 26 language, include Italian, Germany, and we also can provide OEM and ODM, like the UI, language, self-color, and the logo.
Yes, except the above, we can also provide the multiple solution for the stand, like the floor stand. The floor stand with the washer, and the desktop stand, the wall mount, and the turnstile stand. So it can be installed to different places.
Yes, to meet the different places.
Except the hardware, we can also provide the software. So for the software, we have 5 versions. First one is for the development version. This is suitable for those customers. They have the ability to develop the software by themselves. So we will provide the hardware and the SDK so that they can develop the software by themselves. And the second type is for the offline version. Offline version means that all the operations will be done by the device, and all the data will be saved to the device. It is suitable for those customers who is caring about the secure privacy, and they don't want to have a server. They just want to simple management. And the third one is for the online version. Online version means that we will provide the device, APK, and the Telpo Face platform. So you will use Telpo Face platform to do the management. You can upload the photos and members in batches by a web. You just need to enter into our Telpo Face platform and do all the management. And all the data can be shared to the devices in the same time. It is suitable for some some customers who have huge users. And the fourth type is for the middleware version. Some customers said, I don't want to connect with Telpo Face system. I want to connect with my own server. So this version will be suitable for you. So it is for connecting with 2 different systems, connect with your existing server to Telpo server, and then do the separate deployments. After the deployment completed, all the data will be only go to your server, not our server. And the last version is for the local network version. Some customers, they said, I don't want to be so complicated. I want to have a computer to manage all the devices. I don't want to create a server. So you can choose this version. This version means that you just need a regular computer and install the installation file. Then you can connect with our devices and manage the devices. So can you show us what's the difference between all the versions in details?
Yes. So next page, please. First, our offline solution, we provide offline APK and device, and we support time attendance, face recognition, access control, and temperature detection. All the data will run in the device and store the data in the device, so you can keep the data safe, not online. And next, the online version, the main difference between online version and offline version is the online version have Telpo phase, which you can manage the devices, maybe 10 or 100 or 1,000 devices at the same time. You can manage by our Telpo phase at the same time. For example, maybe you have different branch, branch A in city A and branch B in city B, but you want to manage them at the same time and upload and release the data together, so you can use our Telpo phase to manage at the same time. And for the function, and also support the time attendance, face recognition, access control, and temperature detections. And middleware, you can independent deploy in your server. As you can see, middleware is like a connector to connect the two platforms. And you can use your X6 platform to collect the data from the middleware and then use your already APP. And the local network is similar to the online version, but the main point is the local network, you need to connect the same Wi-Fi. You cannot outside the Wi-Fi. For example, you need to, the one company maybe have 4 door or 5 door. You want to use the same network, and so that you can connect the device together. If outside the Wi-Fi is not available. And developer version, as Doris says, we provide SDK, and if some customer not satisfy the function, they want more function, and the customer had ability to develop their application, we provide the SDK to them and develop the software is suitable for the large enterprise.
Yes, just now can introduce our software selection. So we can also provide the Telpo phase platform. Here is for input the username, password, and the login. So let's see what functions do we have. So we can do the device management, the member management, and access control, data attendance management, and we can send the notifications to different devices. You can see the general situation for the total pass today, the employee pass, visitor pass, and the guest pass. And you can see the high temperature warning here. So if anyone who is has had a fever, you can see over here. And you can see the attendance data here. The on time, late, leave, early, late, overtime, all of them you can see. And you can here, this part you can see all the members and the devices in your platform. And this part is to see the recent visit person. And also you can do the equipment status today.
Yes.
One more thing is that some customer is asking if I can add the sub account to my different customers. The answer is yes.
So we see more introduce our hardware and software. So let's see what we can achieve in the situation. So we can use in the retail, healthcare, education, hotel, government, office building, financial institution, telecom operators, community, transportations, and constructions.
Yes, we will show you some successful case in coming. So you can see the first one is our device using immigration office. This is an immigration office. They're using Autis 9HT for face registration and for verification. So when there are new immigrators, the people need to register their face by this machine, and it can also recognize if you are who you are and what's your temperature. In the second photo, you see this is our device used in government police departments in China. So the police department is very high security department. So only the colleagues and workers in police departments can enter into the building. So our device can help them for this. It needs very high accuracy face recognition because we are the company who produced the first facial payment devices in the world, so that we have advantages for face recognition. And this one you can see is our device used in China Telecom office for time attendance and access control. So before the staff are using the traditional attendance device is the fingerprint scan, but now due to the virus infection, all the people need the contactless solution. So our device can meet their requirements. Just fast scan their face, then it can record the time and control the door. What's more, you can see our devices is used in different offices. Some office is putting our device in front of the door to control all the visitors. So only the temperature normal employee can be entered into this door. And some company is managing all the visitors by the reception desk. So they put our device in their reception desk.
Yeah.
And if the visitor's temperature is normal, the receptor will release a postcard to them, then they can enter into the office. And our device can put in any place you want because if you match the floor stand, you can remove very flexible. And our device used in different buildings like the shopping mall, the metro station, the airport, the retail shops, all the places you can use. People can use the QR code scan to control the door, can use the face and the temperature to control the door, and you can use the card to control the door. What's more, our devices are widely used in schools, like this the device used in Shenzhen University, and the device used in middle school. So the students just line up in front of our device and fast scan, then enter into the school. And this also used in middle school. Can you show us more case?
Sure. So next. So in this case, it's used in TPS 980T, used in the factory. They used for time attendance and match the temperature measurement in the factory. And the next is only use the temperature measurement. As I recently saw international news, there's one factory who has one case happen Corona-19 in their factory. Then to make the whole factory to stop production, if you use our device to protect in the advance, so maybe you can avoid this case. And you can see our TPS 980T also used in identification with face recognition, mask detection, and temperature measurement. And for outdoor, we also use TPS 530T. We put the device in front of our industry park. Everyone go inside the park, need to measure their temperature, and also have voice. If okay, and then temperature normal, then go inside. If not, then we have a temperature alarm. And see this one, our device also can put on the buses. Every passenger go inside, and first they will check their temperature first, and then pay by their prepaid card. And also you can use your health QR code if you have. And let's see this movie. This used in the community. As you can see, everyone line up to match their temperature by their wrist, and you can very fast one by one. Then, if temperature normal, then okay. And also no need many security guard. Only one to keep away, because keep some distance and lower the risk of the infection. And also used in our school. We put the device in front of the gate, and every children match their temperature by their wrist. And if okay, and also go inside. And if not, the teacher will ask them to check again.
Yes, and the last part is for our question and answer interaction. So we will pick up some questions from you and answer you today.
Yes.
So first, a friend called. A friend asked, "Are you going to explain the online version software operation?" Yes, we did explain just now, and if it's not clear, we can explain here again. So for the online version, means that the device will be connected with Telpo Face platform by internet. So all the data will be shared with the device and the Telpo Face platform. So if you're putting the different devices in different places, and you want all the devices to share the same data, then you can use this version. For online version, you can add your own channel. Like you have different agency, you can create the sub accounts to them to use, and you can manage. You can see all the device and all the member information, and you can do the attendance management, do the access control management. You can see the temperature details, and you can do many statistics.
A friend asked, what was the model number for the smaller version previous explained, and now one is in the center and smallest. Our TPS 950T, the no-cost versions, you can use this one. If you want to know more inquiry, you can leave your email and our cell.
The online version that you can share. Yes, we are not only have the user manual for the online version, we also have the user manual for offline version, for middleware version, and for local network version, and also the user manual for connect our devices with different doors. So you can contact with us. We can send you all the user manuals by email. And a friend wants to know, when we use the cloud, is it need to pay monthly or annually? So if you are use Telpo Face Cloud, you need to pay by yearly. yearly pay. Yeah. The expense depends on your quantity. Yeah.
A friend asks, do we have to put in the name of each employee and take their picture for facial recognition? If so, how long does it take? For both, for online version and offline version, we support batch import. You can put in an Excel file and then use this function, and you can import in batch.
Yes, exactly. It's very convenient. No need you to upload one by one. You can upload in batches. And if friends want to know how are the devices patched after purchase, it depends how many pieces you purchase. If you are purchasing the samples, we can ship to you by courier like the DHL, FedEx, and SF Express. And normally, the shipment time is about 1 week. And a friend wants to know if we want to be a distributor, what benefits we will get. So if you become to our distributor, first of all, we will provide you a good price. So the special price for the distributor only, and then we can provide you the technician support, after sales service, and so on. Yeah.
A friend called, what is the best distance for temperature measurement? For a single person, the best distance is 50 to 70 centimeters. For multi-person, like our TPS 980T Pro, the best distance is 1 meter to 2 meters. And for the single point, like TPS 450T and 530T, the distance is 0 to 10 centimeters.
And another questions, can it recognize the face with glasses? Yeah. So if you are register your face with glass, then the machine can register your face with glass.
Yes, just like me, I wear glass, and then it also can recognize me.
Yeah.
And
a friend want to know how to know if the device includes 3G or 4G wireless module. I can teach you a way. When you get the device, you check the SIM card slot. If it is blocked, means that the device has no 3G or 4G function. If the SIM card slot is not blocked, then proves the device comes with 3G or 4G.
oh, a friend from UAE asked, could I buy this machine in UAE local? Yes, you can contact me. You can leave your mail, and our area manager will contact you.
And a friend asked if TPS 350T can be used outside. Does it not influence the ambient temperature? Can the TPS 980T be used under a street kiosk? So for TPS 350T, it is IP54. And you can, this is the way you measure the temperature. You need to check here. Okay, it's like this. So you can, if you want to using outside, you can put a fabric bag or the leather bag to protect it. Then you can use in outside.
And also, a friend asked, what is the difference between online version and offline version? The main difference between online version and offline version is online version have a cloud managed platform. You can manage the device at the same time, while offline version you need to operate one by one.
For offline version, actually, and all the operations you will be done by the device. You just edit all the settings by the device, and the data will be only saved in this device, cannot share to other devices.
A friend asked, one of the largest mobile operator in our customer here in Thailand. So can we integrate their central DB to match the face-to-face recognition? Yes, it can match. But first of all, you need to reg all your face and information in the device or our platform, so that when someone stands in front of our device, so it can match together.
You can use the middleware to connect our device with that existing system and deploy our Telpo face system to their server, so that it can be connected with our device. And a friend asked where can I get a sample. So you can contact with us. Leave your email, we will contact with you, or you can contact with us. My name is Doris, and his name is Kent. Our email is doris@telpo.com and kent@telpo.com.
A friend called John, he asked, can we provide a detailed user manual of online version? Yes, we can provide a user manual for online version and offline version. Please leave your message or contact our business email. We can send to you shortly.
And if you have any questions we might ignore, you can contact us directly, because we cannot read so many questions
Yes.
in the same time.
Sorry.
Okay, we will try our possibility to answer you. If you have more questions, you send us by email. And you can follow our YouTube account to get latest news. And from
Yes,
yeah.
Please follow our YouTube account to know more details.
And here is our contact details. You can send us by email, or you can visit our website to know more details. Bye bye.
Bye bye.